Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the intersection of Lady Musgrave Road and Hope Road and East Kings House Road. Now we are at the stoplight on the Lady Musgrave side. Straight ahead, that's East Kings House Road. If we turn left or right, that would be Hope Road. If we turn left, we take Hope Road down to halfway through, and if we turn right, we take Hope Road to Ligani. Now at this side of the road, this is the entrance to King's House. So straight ahead where you see that pretty guardhouse, that's King's House, the entrance to King's House. King's House is where the Governor General of Jamaica lives, and the Governor General is the Queen's representative in Jamaica. The Queen is still the head of state in Jamaica, so basically anything you need to do in terms of the government, like signing a bill into law or declaring a state of emergency or even opening parliament, it would be the Governor General that would sign those documents on behalf of the Queen. So on the left is the grounds for King's House. That's the property for King's House actually, and it's a very large property, huge. I mean, you can see the lawn space on the left. Maybe you can't see it properly, but prime real estate. Now on the right you have residential areas, so if a developer was able to get their hands on this land, they could build so many townhouses. It's amazing. But it's part of the, how would you say now, the historical past of Jamaica. But actually King's House is still being used. It's a very, I guess you could say, old house. The house was built probably back in the 18th century, but it still operates today, but it has a lot of land around it. But it's probably one of those protected sites, so that's why you don't see persons are not allowed to buy it and develop it. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so that will give you an idea of what the traffic is like. On the right is a new apartment building. It looks like it's finished now. And we're now on East Kings House Road. This road actually is on the east side of King's House, because they have a West King's House Road which is on the other side of King's House. And then right beside King's House you have Jamaica House. And at the back of Jamaica House you have the office of the Prime Minister. So everything is located very close to each other. And Vale Royal, which is about a 5-minute drive, not even 5, like 2 minutes drive from Jamaica House, that's the official residence of the Prime Minister. So that's where the Prime Minister would live. But Prime Ministers don't live at that facility anymore, but back in the day that was where they used to live. So you could leave from the office of the Prime Minister, get to the Governor General's office, or get to King's House in less than 2 minutes. And then you could leave from Jamaica House or the office of the Prime Minister and get to Vale Royal in about 2 minutes. So everything was closely located to each other. And the leader of the opposition actually has an office too, which is at the back of King's House, and that building is known as the office of the opposition, leader of the opposition. And it's located probably a minute away from the office of the Prime Minister. Now, East Kings House Road is going to be renovated. It's going to look like Barbican Road. You're going to have 4 lanes, and you're going to have a concrete barricade in the middle with the street lights. And I think it's needed because it's 3:30 in the afternoon, basically around that time, and you see the traffic on the road. Now, once you get to Barbican, that road has been renovated, so the traffic flows so much freer. So if you look at these walls now on the left and the right, you notice how far they are from the road. That's because this road was always designed to be a 4-lane road. It's just it was never built as a 4-lane road, but it was designed that way. So basically, to convert it to a 4-lane road, you don't have to move these walls, you just move the sidewalk. So that was what I guess you could think forward thinking or good town planning. But a lot of the roads in Jamaica were originally designed to be 4-lane roads, like Hagley Park Road, Constant Spring Road, Barbican Road. But this project should start soon. I'm not sure, maybe because of COVID the timelines changed, but this project is to start very soon. It's been approved, the funding is put into place, so it definitely will make a difference. And if you notice, this road has no white lines. I have no idea why it's so hard to maintain the white lines on these roads. But after it's renovated, it should have white lines put in. So on the left and the right, you have gated communities. Now, this section that we're going through is mostly residential. When we get to Barbican, you'll find more of a commercial setting. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. You see indiscipline on the roads. Now this car has literally blocked up the traffic coming down just because they don't want to wait in a line of traffic. Unbelievable, the indiscipline on the roads. You can see how the car is literally halfway on the other side of the road. And you would think it's only taxis and buses that drive like that, but the indiscipline on the Jamaican roads is amazing. Sometimes you have to see it to believe it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.